You guys ready to watch some sports on the Amazon Fire TV stick? Let's see if we can find a different application for you. Under the search icon, type in downloader, D-O-W-N. Downloader comes right up. Orange icon, click it. If you do not already have it, get it, download it, install it. Once we have everything downloaded, head over to the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games icon, 3-line button on your remote, move it to the front. Okay, now that downloader is downloaded, click on it, open it up. We're going to let it allow access photos and media on your device. And then quick start glide, you just click OK on that. And here we just type in the URL, a shortcut, 546-835. This gets us to the Let by the Unknown web page. When the redirect's over, use your 3-line button on your remote. Add current page to favorites. Now we don't have to worry about redirecting and any time wasted.